TR here. This video is going to help you complete your instant notifications assignment. In the announcements, which is absolutely critical that you pay attention to, if you scroll down, you will find a welcome letter. In the welcome letter, I give you some important information, and then I show you how to create your instant notifications. This is one way, or one place. The second place is if we go into Content, we'll click Content. It opens up the menu of the modules. If you open up Module 1, if you scroll down to Instant Notifications Assignment Bonus, you'll see the information that you need to follow in order to successfully complete this assignment. And I'm going to walk you through this with this video shortly. Now, how do we get there? Well, if you go to your discussions and your navigation menu bar, this is your navigation menu bar. If you go to discussions, you will open up this window. It will say discussions, you'll see discussions list, you'll see subscriptions, you'll see private discussions, the image, and your name. Now, way number one is you click on subscriptions. This opens up the window that talks to us about the default notification method. Now you must choose the middle one. I've had students check the summary, but it doesn't send an instant notification. So of very little value for what we're trying to accomplish, which is a way of me communicating with you. Now, where will the emails be sent? Check your notification settings. You want to put it somewhere that you look often, regularly. So I've just got my CBE, but for you, change your email settings. You would click on this and put your email that you want this to be noticed. Best, I think, is connecting it to your cell phone. It just sends you a text that TR is trying to contact you, and away we go. Now, email a summary. Never is fine. You can do daily if you wish, but that's not a big deal. Instant notifications. Now this is where you choose which ones you want, or actually I'm recommending that you choose the announcements, this one, and this announcement, the updated, the available. I'm recommending that you do discussions, new post. I'm recommending that you do grades, released, and updated. Okay? Now, customizing notifications, I don't see any need for you to choose any of these. And exclusion of courses, again, I don't think you need to worry about any of that. Make sure you save this information and then come back to it and take an image. The image that I most want to see is the image where the default notifications. So if I go back, let's see if it'll let me do that. No, it won't. I go back to discussions, and if we go to subscriptions, it's this. This is the picture I want to see, this part here, where it will be sent to, and that you have chosen to be notified that it needs to send you an instant notification in the default notification method. Now, that's one way to do it. The second way is if we go back to discussions, you can access this information by clicking on the down arrow in private discussions and click on subscribe. Here we go. Make sure that you're picking this one. It says email sent. If you're not happy with that, you may need to go back to the first method that we discussed. Again, make sure it's a place that you're going to see, because if I'm sending you messages and you're not receiving them, the consequences can be severe. And then of course you'd click on subscribe. Now with anything and everything, if you are not clear, always be sure to use your private discussions to contact me. Email is not recommended. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye now.